Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can unarchive messages, chats and conversations in the Telegram application really quickly. So let us get started right away. Now the first step, launch the Telegram app. And basically there are two different ways how you can unarchive messages. So for the sake of this tutorial guys, let me just archive that conversation here on my home feed. You can do that by simply holding your finger on the given conversation for a brief moment and by tapping on these three dots here in the top right corner and by selecting archive. So the first option would be to undo the archiving by tapping on undo here in the bottom right corner. So let me do that really quickly, just for the sake of this tutorial. Hold your finger on the given conversation. After that, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, select archive. And after that, tap on undo here. Just bear in mind guys that undoing archiving, for instance, or undoing actions in general is possible only for a specific amount of time, like 5 seconds or so. So you need to be really quick when undoing these actions. The other option would be guys to simply unarchive a conversation and to move it from the archive back again to your home feed. So let me again archive that conversation here really quickly. And after that, you will see that this conversation has been moved to the archived chats. To access these archived chats, simply swipe down here for a moment and release. Once you see the notification, release for archived chats. So tap on the folder and there you go. Now simply select the conversation you would like to unarchive by holding your finger on it. After that, tap on these three dots in the top right corner and select unarchive, and that is going to move the given conversation back to your home screen here. And that's basically it guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.